All right. If there arise among you a prophet or a dreamer of dreams and give you a sign or a wonder, and the sign or the wonder come to pass, whereof he spoke to you, saying, Let us go after other gods which you have not known, and let us serve them. You should not listen to the words of that prophet or that dreamer of dreams. For Jehovah your God prove you to know whether you love Jehovah your God with all your heart and with all your soul. You shall walk after Jehovah your God and fear him and keep his commandments and obey his voice, and you shall serve him and cleave to him. And that prophet or that dreamer of dreams shall be put to death, because he has spoken to turn you away from Jehovah your God, which brought you out of the land of Egypt, and redeemed you out of the house of bondage, to thrust you out of the way which Jehovah your God commanded you to walk in. So should you put the evil away from the midst of you. If your brother, the son of your mother, or your son or your daughter, or the wife of your bosom, or your friend which is as your own soul, entice you secretly, saying, Let us go and serve other gods, which you have not known, you nor your fathers, namely of the God of the people which are round about you, nigh to you or far off from you, from the one end of the earth even to the other end of the earth. You should not consent to him, nor listen to him, neither shall your eye pity him, neither should you spare, neither should you conceal him. But you should surely kill him, your hand shall be first upon him to put him to death, and afterward the hand of all the people. And you should stone him with stones, that he dies, because he has sought to thrust you away from Jehovah your God, which brought you out of the land of Egypt, from the house of bondage. And all Israel shall hear and fear, shall do no more any such wickedness as this is among you. If you should hear say in one of your city which Jehovah your God has given you to dwell there, saying, Certain men and the children of Belial are gone out from among you, and and have withdrawn the inhabitants of their city, saying, Let us go and serve other gods which you have not known. Then should you inquire and make search and ask diligently, and behold, if it be truth and the thing certain that such abomination is wrought among you, you should surely smite the inhabitants of that city with the edge of the sword, destroying it utterly, and all that is therein, and the cattle thereof with the edge of the sword. And you should gather all the spoil of it into the midst of the street thereof, and should burn with fire the city, and all the spoil thereof every whit, for Jehovah your God, and it shall be an heap forever, it shall not be built again. And there shall cleave not of the cursed thing to your hand, that Jehovah may turn from the fierceness of his anger, and show you mercy, and have compassion upon you, and multiply you as he has shown to your fathers. When you should listen to the voice of Jehovah your God, to keep all his commandments which I command you this day, to do that which is right in the eyes of Jehovah your God. Alright, I have finished reading in English. Thank you.